What is slope deflection method? We already know about the moments at the ends of members and their corresponding rotations and displacements. Now, establishing relation between them helps in analysis of indeterminate structures. Thus, we can say that slope deflection method is the method to solve indeterminate structures by establishing relation between moments at the ends of members and their corresponding rotations. The basic idea is to write the equilibrium equations for each node in terms of deflections and rotations. Generalized displacements are solved. Then, using moment displacement relations, moments are known and hence turned into determinate structures. The fundamental slope deflection equation is where FEM is fixed end moment and theta is the rotations and delta is displacements. Now let us discuss the fixed end moments. These are different for different conditions, such as for uniformly distributed load and for point load. The related term is